Hello everyone! Welcome back to English with Bu Devi. Today, we are going to learn one of the most important tenses in English, the simple present tense. Let's learn it in a fun and easy way. Let's start it! What is simple present tense? We use the simple present tense to talk about our daily activities, our habits, and general facts that are always true. The formula is very simple. For positive sentences, you can use subject plus verb 1, add with s or es plus object. For negative sentences, we use do or does not after the subject. And for interrogative sentences, we start with do or does. There are 7 subjects that you must know. They are I, you, they, we, he, she, and it. For subject singular, you must add with s or as. For example, he, she, it, or the name of person. And for subject plural, you don't need add with s or es. Here are some examples about simple present tense. They read book in a library. Aisha cleans her dormitory every week. For negative sentences, she doesn't drink a cup of coffee. That means one thing far from us. The example, that is your bag. For interrogative sentences, do you play football? Does she speak English? Now practice your skill by filling the blanks. Now let's check the answer. She studies English every night. We don't eat fast food. Do they like ice cream? So is it very easy, isn't right? Remember, add s or es for he, she, it, and use do or does in negative and questions. Let's practice in the dialogue. What time do you usually go to school? I always go to school at 6:30 a.m. Oh, I see. How about you? I usually go to school at 6:45 a.m. Great job, everyone. Now it's your turn to write positive sentence, negative sentence, and interrogative sentence in comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English with Bu Devi. See you next time. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.